Good morning. Okay, we are leaving this island. It's 7:10. We are packing up. As you can see, Christoph is packing up as well. Look at the view in the morning. Look at the mountains. It's been raining a little bit at night, but it looks like it's a little bit. Just a little bit. That much. That much. So yeah, we are leaving. We're packing up and we're going home. 630 miles. Google Maps says 12 hours. Let's see. We're gonna stop in probably Pick or Lake District. We'll see. Okay. Anyway, I just need to pack up very quickly. Right. See you in a bit. Let's go. Let's go home, Krzysiu. Right, we were about to take a ferry this morning and somebody told us, yes, they're going from 7 AM to 7 PM, blah blah blah. Of course we didn't check it on the website. We turned up at 9 o'clock and then checked the website, and the ferry starts at 10. Okay, I've got new battery. We're waiting for the ferry, and I want to show you a little bit of the seals. So there is a one over there. Not sure if you can see, it's on the rock over there. Sun bathing, little fella. And there's one over there, I can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. But yeah, and then look at the view. Beautiful. Beautiful view. So, as I said before, our journey comes to the end. We are on the way back home. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Mornings and evenings with the midges are very difficult. However, we're prepared, so it's not too bad. And I would recommend to anyone to do the Scotland on the bike and tent. It's just such a great experience, and it's amazing. I don't know what to say. It's just, I'm speechless after this journey. It's just, I hope that I've recorded enough to show you, to give you a taste of Scotland and how much fun we've had. As you know, it's the first time I'm doing sort of vlogging, and that's gonna be a lot of learning for me while editing. So we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm less camera shy now after these days. I just don't care anymore. Here we are, Scotland. Bye bye Isle of Skye. And the thing is, we are going home, and you know, it's a journey back, but it's still gonna take us 2 days. There's still one more camping tonight, and we're gonna probably stop in Lake District, which is an absolutely beautiful place, and I've been there already. It's still fun, you know, it's still fun, never ending story. But it will end. It will end. Tomorrow we're hoping to be home for lunch. Well, we're gonna have lunch at Polish Kitchen in Oxford, that's the plan. But we'll see where we get. On the ferry we go. Yes, we are on the ferry. That's so cool. Check this out.
Yeah, you got the GoPro.
Yeah, mate. I'm recording whole journey. I'm gonna do a little vlog. It's gonna go on YouTube. Good morning. This is our last day. We are in Peak District. We really struggled to find a place to sleep last night. We've tried like 3 campsites and they turned us away. So that wasn't very good. We were actually considering driving back to the south coast at night. That's 6 hours, but after the journey from Scotland we were knackered actually, but we managed to find a place. Somebody recommended a nice place. Well, nothing interesting really. There was a toilet and there was a water and there was a pitch, so that was enough for us. Now we are heading back home. We're going to go through Oxford and we're going to visit the Polish Kitchen restaurant in Oxford. It's our tradition actually. Every time when we're coming back from north of England or basically north, we stop there on the last day to have a Polish meal. And apparently they changed the owners, so let's see how it is now. So hopefully they're still doing a good job. I've got only literally 4 minutes left to record, so I'm saving the last 3 minutes to catch up with Chris in the restaurant. But that was awesome journey. I love it. That was the best holiday so far on the bikes and ever actually. That was really, really good, and I hope you enjoy watching it. And as I said, we're going to do a little catch up at the restaurant. See you later. Hello. So we made it to the south coast.
Yes,
2,300 miles.
around that, yes.
Around that. We still got like 30 minutes to get home, but we thought we're gonna say the last word now. How do you feel?
I'm mentally broken. I'm mentally broken because I had to leave that beautiful country and come back into
England.
Back to the England, south of England, the tropical climate. I hate it.
The weather is totally different, and yeah, we love Scotland. I haven't got much memory on my card, so I can't say much. We got only 2 minutes, but I absolutely loved it. That was a great time. 9 nights, 10 days of riding. That was absolutely amazing, and I love every bit, every minute, every mile of it.
Yeah,
And
even when it was shit, it was great.
Yes, even the horrible time was great time.
Yes.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
We didn't actually have any horrible time.
First of all, we didn't argue at all. There was no moody days. Happy every day, very organized. Yeah, we smashed it. We smashed it. I think I'm proud of us because we were very prepared. We had a very good mindset. We've done everything right, so that's good. That was good. And yeah, thank you. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.